In this short tutorial, I will show you how to turn off Face ID for private browsing on your device. When you use private browsing mode, it usually requires you to unlock it with Face ID each time. This can be annoying if you want quick access without unlocking your device every time. Luckily, there is a simple way to adjust this setting. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone and then scroll down until you reach the bottom of the menu. At the bottom of the Settings menu, tap on Apps. This section allows you to manage various applications installed on your device, including Safari. Now, scroll down until you find Safari. Tap on it to access Safari's settings. Next, scroll down a bit, and you'll come across a section labeled Privacy and Security. In this section, there are several important privacy features that help protect user data while browsing online. Among these options, look for Require Face ID to unlock private browsing. To turn off Face ID for private browsing, simply toggle off this switch. Now you can access private browsing without needing to authenticate with Face ID each time you enter or exit this mode. This provides quick access while still allowing you to enjoy some level of privacy during their web sessions. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.